Welcome to the practice of Yoga Nidra. Ensure you are comfortable and that you're going to be warm enough. Enjoy a deep breath and sigh it out. Pay attention to the contact between your body and the support underneath it. Feel the support for the back of your body and allow the weight of your body to drop down into that support. Sense the flow of breath in the body. And resist the urge to change or control the breath in any way. And simply watch as the body is breathed effortlessly. Inhalation becoming exhalation. Exhalation becoming inhalation. And so on, in a circular pattern or cyclical rhythm. Observe the movement of the breath, the inhale and the exhale, and also the stillness in the breathing cycle. You might be aware of a short pause at the end of the inhalation and a short pause at the end of the exhalation. Each cycle containing moments of movement and moments of stillness. Bring your awareness now to the center of your chest and cultivate a softness there, as if allowing your heart to become warm, becoming warm-hearted. And with your awareness in this warm space of the heart, repeat 3 times the following affirmation. I am whole. I am perfect. I am free. I am whole. I am perfect. I am free. I am whole. I am perfect. I am free. And now allow your awareness to travel from the center of the chest out and around the whole of the body. Become aware of the physical body settled, stable, still, safe, and secure. And allow your mental awareness to make a journey around the physical body, resting just briefly in each part of the body as it's named. Beginning in the thumb of the right hand, become aware of the right hand thumb, the right index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. Feel the thumb and fingers together, the palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, armpit and shoulder. Feel the right side of the body, the right hip, thigh, knee, shin, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe. And now move the awareness into the thumb of the left hand. Feel the left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, the thumb and fingers together, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, armpit and shoulder. Feel the left side, left hip, thigh, knee, shin, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe and little toe. Now become aware of the right arm. Feel the whole of the right arm, just the right arm. Feel the right arm only. And now become aware of the left arm. Feel the whole of the left arm, just the left arm, the left arm only. Become aware now of the right leg. Feel the right leg, the whole of the right leg, and the right leg only. And now feel the left leg. Become aware of the left leg, the whole of the left leg. Feel the left leg only. Become aware now of the right arm and the left arm, both together at the same time. Become aware now of the right leg and the left leg, both together at the same time. And now be aware of both arms and both legs, all together, all at the same time. Sense the back of the body. Bring awareness to the buttocks, lower back, the middle of the back, upper back, the whole of the back, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, the space between the shoulder blades, back of the neck, back of the head, top of the head, and every hair follicle on the head, forehead, eyebrows, eyelids, eyeballs, cheekbones, teeth, tongue, jaw and throat. Become aware of the ears, right ear, left ear, both ears together, and the space in between the ears. Become aware of the whole of the face and the whole of the head, all together, all the way through. Feel the whole of the face and the whole of the head, all together, all the way through. And now sense the front of the body, the collarbones, right and left, and both collarbones together, the right side of the chest, the left side of the chest, and the center of the chest, upper abdomen, navel, lower abdomen, the whole of the abdomen, right groin, left groin, pubic bones, and pelvic floor. And now feel the whole of the body. Be aware of the whole body, all of the parts of the body, all together, all the way through. Expand the awareness into the whole of the body and feel the whole body, all of the parts of the body, all together, all the way through. Now observe the body breathing. Feel the body being breathed. Notice the movement of the breath, effortless. Inhalation leading towards exhalation. Exhalation leading towards inhalation. And observe the stillness within the cycle of the breath. Pay attention to the short pause at the end of the inhalation and the short pause at the end of the exhalation. Each cycle of breath containing movement and stillness. Now become aware of the skin, all of the skin, the whole layer of skin around the body. All of the skin like a loose blanket all around the body. Sense the skin and visualize the skin breathing. Become aware of the muscles, all of the muscles, all around the body, long, loose, relaxed. Sense the muscles and visualize the muscles breathing. Become aware of the bones, the whole of the skeleton, all of the bones, stable, supported. Sense all of the bones and visualize the bones breathing. Sense the organs, the vital organs. Visualize the organs breathing. Become aware of the whole body breathing. Every cell of the body being breathed. Experience the whole body breathing. understand that this practice of Yoga Nidra will shortly be drawing to a close. Guide your awareness back into the center of the chest, to your own soft, warm heart. And resting the awareness in this space, repeat to yourself in your own time, in your own way, the words of the affirmation: I am whole, I am perfect, I am free. And now begin to gently externalize your awareness. Feel the contact between your body and the support that your body rests upon. Sense the floor beneath you, the ceiling above you, the four walls around you. Situate yourself within your surroundings and pay attention to what you can hear. Listen for the sounds inside, around the building, outside, and further afield. Pay attention to the sensation of clothes or blankets touching your skin. And pay attention to the sensation of breath flowing in and out of the nostrils or in and out of the mouth. Notice that the breath may feel a little cooler on the inhale and warmer on the exhale. Begin to gently deepen the breath, noticing anything you might be able to smell, and connecting with the sense of taste. You could gently lick your lips or run your tongue along your teeth. Look into the space behind your closed eyes and picture what you expect to see when you open your eyes. Gently wriggle your fingers and wriggle your toes. Understand that this practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. The practice of Yoga Nidra has now ended. This practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete.